lovelies. Hello. Now I'm in a really good mood. Do you want to know why I'm in a really good mood? Because I'm going to be playing with Lego. I love playing with Lego. I do. I have so much Lego to build. Before we get on with the playing with the Lego and talking about what's in front of me here, you need to give me a like. I would love you to give me a like. Give me a subscribe. Then when you subscribe, make sure you hit all the notifications to always get notified when I am building Lego, when I'm unboxing, because that is what is here. Yes. Now I have tons of Lego. Not only the Lego I bought from Legoland, but the Lego that I've got a huge stash of in the garage, and the Lego that friends keep sending me to build for them. Keep sending. I don't mind. I love Lego. It's always been a passion of mine, Lego. I've been to Legoland a few times and it just gets better each time. It really does. It's just amazing. What I came across though at Legoland were these lovely beauties. Now they are called Lego Friends. Of course, the Lego Friends. But inside there are different scenarios in each box. And you get a surprise pet. Now there is 4 boxes. There are 4 different boxes. You can change them as well. You can change the scenarios. So that's the front of that one. And then on the back, you can see the 4 different scenarios. Yes. So I've already done one. I did one at Legoland, which you will have seen the video of. So I'm going to show you that one. I'm going to put those 2 there for a second, like so, and we're going to open up this one. I think there's only 4 because yeah, they match. That's what they're. There might be 5. In fact, I think there's 1. Where? I think there's more. Oh no, that's not good. It's not good because I've only got 3. Oh, bits are falling out. Loose bits. So I built this one already at Legoland itself. Yes. They were, how much were they? $7.99 each. These were. So I don't know what state it's in because it's travelled back from Legoland. So let's have a look. Right, let's stand her back up. So this is the science one. So there we go. This is the science one. Let's see if I can show you it. Oh, I nearly dropped it. See? Got a lab coat in there and her teaching in that one. And we got, I think that's a hamster that she got as a surprise pet. Yes. So that was that one. That's the one I built up at Legoland. It is. Just put those ones there. Now you can, the next ones, you can stand them on the top of each other, which is really, really good. So they're the spare bits that go with that actually. In there. Like so. Right, so we're going to move on to these 2. Now I've not opened these. I don't know what the surprise pet is or anything. So it's a complete blind unbox. Lots of stickers. Sit that one there. So it looks like this is the vets, this one. So I'm going to bring you down so you can see better of what I'm building. So we've got some stickers. You see them? We've got the bags of little things that go inside. And then you have your instructions. And of course, on the instructions of what else you need in Lego Friends. Always. So put the instructions there. If you open the bag, it's better. The right way around. So you got all the bits. So this one, who is she? Who is she on this one? Doesn't actually tell you. But it is model number 41403. It doesn't tell you who this one is. It didn't tell you on that one either, I don't think. Right, now this is the fun part. Open it up and you've got even more little bits and your surprise pet. So there's your little fiddly bits. If you thought you was getting away with that little fiddly bits, you are incorrect. Lego always gives you little fiddly bits to play with. always. They're so kind to you to do this. And then, what's this one? It's Mia. So the lady is Mia, and there is 5 to collect. So we've got the chem lab, we've got the vets, and we've got the singing. We need the baking and the vet parlour, and then we've completed the set then. So they're the sets. So we'll leave that there for a minute. Right, well, let's have a look what the pet is. Doo-doo-doo. Come on. Oh, it's a little rabbit. Oh, it's a little rabbit. Look, it's so tiny. How tiny that is. It's so cute. Right, so he can sit there a minute, because now we've got to build inside here. Yes. So there's little hooks there to put things on. So, right, it doesn't really give you full instructions. It doesn't. It just kind of gives you instructions. So we've got to put a sticker on first. And you've got to put it there. Like so. As straight as you can get it. Okay. And then the next thing is, we're going to build a lamp by the looks of it. So that goes on there. And then that sits. Wait there. We've got to put something. Yes, we've got to put that onto a white one. There we go. And that sits in there. So that's your light then, you see. On the other side, we need 2 yellow ones to sit on those 2. 1 and 2, which means you're not hanging anything in those 2. No. Right, I'm going to move the container over that side a second, and we're going to build. We're going to build. Gonna build. So we want that one and that one. This looks like a weighing scales, so it looks like the rabbit sits on this one as well, which is really, really cool. Doesn't give you all the steps, or if you're like me, you don't look at all the steps. You look across instead of going down the step. You look across. Yes. Sticker. Sticker, sticker, sticker. There we go. Look, it's got the rabbit's details on it. And then we put the rabbit on. The rabbit's on. The rabbit's home. There we go. Rabbit's in. Now, that one sits then in there. Like so. So that's one side complete. How cool is that? That is proper cool. Right. Put that there. We're going to do the other side now. So we need that one again. 2 blue blocks there. 1 blue block there. 2 little white ones. 1 and 2. And then a 2 on top. That one going that way. One there. Another way. Another sticker. Where does all these other stickers go? I think you've got to keep all these other stickers. Just fiddly little stickers. That's all. Fiddly, fiddly, fiddly. Right. Even more fiddly. So I want one of these. And the blue one. So that is to look in the rabbit's ear. Look. So that clicks in there. And then we want the spoon in the other one. And then we want a green one with a white one on top. And then a bottle. Oh, a baby bottle. That is so cute. That is so cute. Not sure what sits on there though. Nothing by the looks of it. Because now we've got to build up Mia. So in the actual Lego Friends sets of the vets, I don't think Mia's the vet. So maybe they've changed occupation for these. Possibly. The hair is always a nightmare on Lego Friends, I think. So that has the syringe. She has the syringe in her hand. And she does. And then she stands on there. That's it. Quick and simple. If she stands up. Quick and simple, yeah. There we go. Now, because I've got a spare yellow one, and I hate having yellow bits, spare, or little ones spare, I can't get to it anyway. So ignore what I was about to say, because we're not doing that. So now you fit this in there. So that is your vet's done. Yep, vet's is done. Close that, and then that closes up, and it's a travel one. So that's 2 done. So you've got all these cool stickers now as well, and some spare bits. Always have spare bits, always. So we'll just move those to one side a minute. Now we'll open up the second one. So that's always, I always keep the instructions. I don't keep the boxes, I keep the instructions. It's not as if we're ever going to sell any our Lego, but we'll always rebuild. Yes. So the next one is the Singer. That one. So we're going to open this one up and build it up. Everything. That's everything. Sneak that one in there. Ta-dee. May look like a big table, but it doesn't feel like a big table when you're building on it. So you've got your stickers, different stickers. You've got your instructions, your big bits, so you see on this one. And then we have a little container. Shall we see what animal it is? So you've got your surprise animal, your little bits, and let's see who it is. Doo -doo -doo. It is Andrea! Yay! Andrea! Andrea! I wonder which pet Andrea gets. Which pet would go? Oh, I think it's going to be a bird, but which colour bird? I think that's the surprise. What do they tell you on the boxes then? What they're going to be? Is it just on that piece of paper inside? I think it's just on the piece of paper inside. Oh yeah, because look, that one said it was getting a rabbit, and it did. But it's which rabbit do you get? And do you want to collect all the colours? So which birdie are we getting this time? Are we ready? Please be pink. Please be pink. Oh, it's gold. Ooh, golden. Golden bird. Golden bird. Golden bird. Golden bird. Golden bird. Sit her there. Right then. Let's get building it. Building it. First thing we've got to do is build a light, like a disco light set for on this side. Disco. Because obviously she's a singer, so she's got to have a disco platform to sing on. So we need to put the strobe lights in and everything for her. And that's it in there like so. Now on the other side we've got 2 yellows that fits on them, and then a sticker, the big sticker, the big sticker, the big sticker. Stick that in there. So that is how it looks at the moment. Okay, so next we're going to move the box there a second, and we're going to build. So we want the 2 blue turquoise. Would you say they were turquoise? I think they're turquoise. On top. That's there. And that needs a sticker on. Number 2. I think there's only 2 stickers. I think the rest you just keep. That's cool. Number 2. Now we're going to build a box. Kind of. I'm going to put 2 of these on. So I'm presuming this is the stereo unit, or where the bird sits on the oh, it's a piano. We're building a piano. We're building a piano. We're building a piano. We're building a piano. Not the official piano that has come out, well, soon coming out from Lego. That is amazing, and I mean truly amazing. That would be an awesome build. That one would be. Right, so that now sits in there. So the piano and the bird sits with the strobe lights. Okay, so that is that side done. Now we're going to build a dance center. Dance center. 2 gold pieces here to hold the speakers. A 1 and a 2 speakers. Where there, something's got to go on the speakers. Grey ones. A 1, 2. There we go, that's better. Why have they not clicked in properly? I'll click them in. Oh, it's hurt my fingers already. I've got so much Lego to build, my fingers cannot hurt. No. Not allowed. Not allowed. That looks pretty cool over the speakers. It really does. Right, move on. You'll have to excuse the voices. I just get excited whilst building Lego. I'm building a stage now for Andrea to sing on. I've never built a stage. There we go. She's got a stage. Right, what's this one? That goes in the corner there. They're just little builds. They're so much fun, these little builds. Don't get me wrong. I love my big builds. I do. I love my big builds. But little builds are good as well, I think. Because they don't break your brain. Where big builds can break the brain. They can. Yes, I found that when I built the diner. It got to the point where I was like, oh my God, what next? What next have I got to build? It was a brilliant build. I loved it. I really did. But it just I think you get tired. You get tired. So quick bursts of little builds are good. Yes, they are. See, even my phone agrees. So there's Andrea in her stage. That is pretty awesome. So we've got Andrea in her stage, Mia at the vets, and I'm not sure who her name is, to be honest. Did I get, there's all hers. Then that's just the instructions of what I just built. Yeah. I know I've got the instructions from this one somewhere. They're probably in the Lego bag from Legoland. But yeah, 3 down. I've got to get 2 more. I've got the bakery one to get. Which other one is left? Which other one is left? So we've got the bakery to get and the pet salon. Yes. And then we've got them all. So that would be a cat and a dog, of course. So we've got the cat and the dog to get. But we've got these 3 so far. Yes, we do. Bring it up again now that I've stopped building. So I hope you enjoyed my little quick build there. It's a good way to get started. It is. Don't forget to give us a like, guys, and subscribe. Click your notifications. And I'll see you all soon. I love you all. Take care now.